This is the story about genocide happening in Tigray since November 2020. While the world was battling the COVID-19 virus, over 7 million Tigrayans were struggling against the genocide happening at their place initiated by the leader of their own country, Ethiopia. They are living in a blockade for more than a year and over 100,000 civilians have already been killed. And now, most of the people are dying from the lack of food, lack of medicine, and repeated drone attacks.
We haven't been able to get basic insulin and diabetic treatments into Tigray since last summer.
Nowhere in the world you would find a crisis like what you see in the northern part of Ethiopia, especially in Tigray. Nowhere in the world are we witnessing hell like in Tigray.
This is an insult to our humanity to allow a situation like this to continue.
The Ethiopian government is using starvation as a weapon of mass destruction against the Tigrayans, and the situation is already out of control. In September 2021, Martin Griffiths, the Undersecretary General for Humanitarian Affairs and Emergency Relief Coordinator, said de facto humanitarian blockade on Tigray is hampering humanitarian deliveries. Then why is the UN Human Rights Council not declaring any human rights emergency in Tigray? There are concerns by the World Health Organization about the situation, but why is the UN Security Council not backing up those concerns with concrete actions? Why is the Security Council not securing any humanitarian corridor when it has known about this critical situation for more than a year? Which entity of the UN can get access to Tigray? And where is the peacekeeping force? Are they waiting for all the people of Tigray to be dead? Or are they hoping for some miracle to happen without doing any action? Let's aware the world what is happening in Tigray. Let's pray for Tigrayans and let's pray that the war will be over soon. Let's pray.